Hi, it's Mandy Napier from Mindset for Success. So today I'd like to talk to you about results. You see, whatever you're doing in your life, you will get results. And my question for you is, are you getting the results you want? It's getting towards the end of February, which is the time when many people give up on their goals and their dreams. They wobble off the path and their great resolve at the beginning of the year wavers because life happens and life gets in the way. So if you can relate to this, then I have the solution for you. You see, over the last few years, I've been coaching thousands of people to help them get breakthrough results. And the one thing that I've noticed is when we can take strategies for excellence from the world of performance psychology and sports and we can map them over into our businesses, then we have the winning combination for success. So I've taken some solid principles from neuroscience, performance psychology, tools, coaching, things that work, and I've put them into a concise 9-week program called Get Breakthrough Results. We're combining mindset, strategy, and action. You'll create your own Blueprint for Success handbook, which will be your guide to help steer you in the right direction through the year. There are awesome tools to help you keep focused every week, to keep on path, to do the things that you want to do even when you don't feel like it, and also how to be more productive on a daily basis. So if this sounds something that you are interested in, then I've put the link down below, or simply send me an email to mandy@mindsetforsuccess.com.au. Have a look on my website, it's on the shop page, and I would love to have you along. The next intake is on the 5th of March. You'll work through videos, content, and there are live calls to ensure that we support you every step of the way. So I'd love you to join me. I'm looking for a few people who are committed to break through their results this year, and guaranteed we will make sure we do that. So be an action taker. Do come and join me, and I welcome you to help you breaking through your results this year. Thank you. It's Mandy from Mindset for Success.